OpenCore Legacy Patcher is a tool for booting macOS on unsupported hardware. Here are some top secrets or tips for using it. First, compatibility. Check compatibility before installing. Ensure your hardware meets the minimum requirements. Second, configuration. Understand the config.plist file and how to edit it to customize your installation. Third, the bootloader. Choose the right bootloader for your system, such as OpenCore or Clover. Kexts, short for kernel extensions, are crucial for getting your hardware supported and patched correctly. In this section, we'll learn how to inject Kexts effectively. Now let's dive into the patching process. It's essential to understand how to apply patches tailored for your specific hardware to ensure everything runs smoothly. Next up, familiarizing yourself with UEFI firmware. This is key in configuring your system to boot macOS properly. Let's get started on how to set this up. Debugging. It's a crucial skill. Here we'll learn how to debug issues using tools like console and system report. By mastering these tools, you can quickly identify and solve problems, ensuring a smooth and efficient workflow. Community support is crucial. Join online communities like Reddit's Hackintosh for help and resources. They can offer invaluable assistance as you navigate through the process. Always back up your data before attempting to install macOS on unsupported hardware. It's a vital step to ensure you don't lose important information. Patience is key. Be prepared for trial and error and don't be discouraged by setbacks. Keep in mind that using OpenCore Legacy Patcher requires technical expertise and may void your warranty. Remember, installing macOS on unsupported hardware can be complex and may void your warranty. Proceed with caution.